Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 21st, 2026, and we're going to be sowing our cauliflower seeds today. Now this is the snow crown variety, and I'm using the soil blocks here. So I'm just dropping my seed here on top, and then I'm going to come back and cover them up when I'm done. So I'm going to finish sowing this whole tray here. We're going to have, I'm planting 28 seeds, so hopefully we'll have enough cauliflower to be able to save some. We ran out, and going to plant more this year. Okay, so I have my seeds sown here, and I'm just going to put about 1/4 of an inch of soil covering over these. I'm trying to keep these kind of in the center. Sometimes they do move a little bit, but in about 7 to 14 days these should start germinating. And your germination temperature is about 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and I want my plants all nice and ready to be set out here. For when they're ready to be planted. So I'm going to finish getting these covered here, and then I'll come back. So we're going to just gently get these watered here. Not quite the mist that I want, but that watering wand is not working, so we're going to use this right here. As long as the seeds don't get put down too deep, which they should not. Go. The mist works the best, but working here with what we got. And we're going to get this covered here. And I left some space here because your seeds need oxygen to germinate. So this is going to allow the excess heat to escape out, and it's going to allow fresh air to get in. And you do want to check on these every single day to make sure that they are not drying out. So today is February 25th, 2026. And you can see here the cauliflower seeds have started germinating. So I'm going to be taking the seedlings out here that are ready to come out so that they do not grow tall and spindly. And we are going to be getting these misted. They're getting just a little dry. And this is not going to break these apart because this is not a really strong mist. I'm just trying to make sure that these seeds stay nice and moist and that the soil blocks stay nice and moist. So I took these 3 here out. And the rest of them here, I'm letting them continue to germinate on the heated floor. So I put the covering back on, and I'm going to keep checking on them, and I have the covering fitting loosely. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.